Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 106 different strategies, with 33 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 991 indicators, with 417 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. So the source video claims that this strategy will help you earn money through trading even without any knowledge. And so, first and foremost, I think it goes without saying that it takes at least some knowledge of trading to be able to be profitable or to attempt to trade in general. So right off the title of the video is a little bit questionable. And so the strategy itself consists of two different indicators. So the first indicator that you will put on screen is going to be the alpha trend indicator. Alpha trend indicator right here. So you will add that one to the screen and you will go into the settings. You'll make a few modifications, and so on the inputs you will put it like this here: multiple of 0.2 and common period of 10. You'll make sure that these are checked accordingly, and then this is the style. I think everything is set on default. The next indicator that we are going to put on the screen is going to be the swing arm indicator, the swing arm ATR. So you'll add that one to screen, and you will go in, and I believe the input stayed on default. You'll make sure that this is unchecked, and under styles you'll uncheck everything but these last 5 options here, and that'll give you what you see on screen now. And so the strategy, what you're looking for is going to be the shift in coloration of the swing arm indicator. So you see how the cloud here is the swing arm showing red and green. And so as it is shifting colorations from red to green, that means that we are now in an uptrend and we are looking for buy signals. On the reverse side, when it's red, that means we are in a downtrend and looking for sell signals. And so once we have a green background on the swing arm indicator, then what we are looking for is price action to pull back into the cloud. And so you can see that we switch coloration here, make this push up, we pull back into the cloud right here. And then you can see that we pick up a buy signal right here from the alpha trend indicator. Now, when we get that buy signal, we have a price action above the cloud in this case. So price action pulled back into it, broke back out to the upside, and gave us a long buy signal right there. That would be our entry into the trade right there. Then we are going to set a long position here. Our stop go right at the bottom of the cloud, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. So you see that we get a really nice push to the upside there, which definitely would have gotten us to our take profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at a short trade. Alright, so on the short signal, again, we look for the black flag or the swing arm indicator to give us the red background. That means that we are now looking for short trades, and we look for price action to pull back into the cloud like it does right here. And then we look for price to break out of the cloud to the downside and then give us a sell signal while it is below that cloud. And you can see that we pick up all those signals together right here. That's going to be our short signal. Again, we're going to set a short trade, and our stop is going to be at the other side of the cloud, and we are going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. So let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see that we made the push to the downside here and got to our take profit technically right here. Now, that wick was really close to our take profit, and it is likely, I've seen it before, where price will spike down very close to your take profit, and it won't actually trigger your order. So it's very likely that would have happened right there before price started to rebound, just kind of bounce around for a while before it finally makes this really nice push to the downside here, which definitely would have triggered the take profit order there. And so again, you can see a really nice push to the downside, and once again got us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 32% win rate. Now, with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $150 per trade, on the losing side, you'd be losing $100 per trade. That means that your total gain on the winning side would have been right at $2,400, and on the losing side, you would have been at $3,400 for a total loss of $1,000 altogether. And so at a 32% win rate with a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, definitely not going to be a profitable trading system. And so with that being said, I don't think it was necessarily a horrible trading system. I think maybe with a few tweaks it could have done a little bit better, maybe off of such a lower time frame. Anytime you're trying to scalp the crypto market on such a lower time frame, it can be super problematic. With commissions and stuff like that, which we didn't even calculate into this, tends to be really tricky to get some decent rewards. And so I think bumping it up to a higher time frame and playing around with it a little bit more, maybe doing a 1 to 2 risk reward and see how that played out, probably could have gotten a little bit better results out of this. And of course, if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, check out the link at the end of this video here with the Z-score probability and the Academy of Forex indicator. Definitely a much better profitable trading strategy. So that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.